Hello and welcome to AircraftPost's Spotlight feature, in which we will be highlighting a feature or tool available to you on AircraftPost's website. We hope this will enable you to use the service to its full capacity. Today's feature is Fleet Statistics, a great tool for learning more about each model and for comparison purposes. When you log into AircraftPost, Fleet Statistics appears as the second tab in the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Clicking on it brings up a drop-down menu that allows you to select a model. Let's look at the Challenger 300. If you have any aircraft assigned to you, you can select one in the next drop-down box and it will display along with the Challenger 300s for comparison purposes. Clicking Submit automatically takes you to the Summary view, which shows you information about the fleet as a whole. For example, it shows 1 for prior owners because to date, Challenger 300s have on average only had one owner. You can also see the average length of time since the last interior refurbishment or exterior repaint. Note that the galley and lav are specified forward only and aft only. This tells you that there were no options for alternate configurations on this aircraft. If you want to see the list of standard equipment on the Challenger 300, simply click on the down arrow to open the list. Continuing to scroll down will show you what percentage of the fleet has had each option installed. To get more information about an option, hover your mouse over the I symbol next to that item. This will bring up a brief description of the equipment, which will remain as long as you hold your mouse over the I. Now let's move on to Averages by Year view. This displays the same information you just saw in the Summary view, but now it is broken down by year of manufacture. You can still view standard equipment by clicking on the down arrow and get more detailed information on optional equipment by hovering the mouse over the I symbol. The Averages by Year page is especially useful if you want to compare a specific aircraft to all the others from the same year. Fleet Detail View breaks it down even further. Now we see the same data down to the level of individual serial numbers, plus even more. You can click the Photos link to see photos of the interior and exterior of each aircraft. The Private Note link allows you to take notes on a specific aircraft, viewable only by you. A great tool if you're evaluating several different aircraft for a client and need to keep track of pros and cons. There are links to the owner and home base, and if there has been reported damage to an aircraft, you'll see a check mark in the box. Again, scrolling down, you'll find the standard equipment, which can be expanded, and the optional equipment installed on each aircraft. If you only want to see a few specific serial numbers, just check the boxes under each number. Then click Display Select Aircraft, and you'll see only the ones you've picked. Great for comparison. Notice that your private note is accessible and editable here as well. To clear your selections and see the entire fleet again, click Fleet Detail View. That's Fleet Statistics. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Aircraft Post on our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn. You can always email suggestions, comments, and questions to intell@aircraftpost.com. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.